Last one. And then forward. This is what America's military shoots.
Oh,
Hold it
that's
basically the same way.
Oh no, it's smaller.
So here at the battlefield, I love shooting the fucking card of guns.
It's the song.
Craziness.
Single fire, you can go for hit.
Jason right here, and that's me. He looks scared. And that's me, who is fucking excited. I'm so excited right now.
You handgun?
Wait.
The 1911 or the Glock?
No, you have the
I'm
Glock.
shooting. I'm gonna shoot the which is a bit more. Because I asked her to just recommend me one.
Okay.
So she's one is a bit heavier than the other.
The 1911 is a bigger caliber. It's gonna have
Yeah,
No,
he's shooting the 45.
yes, that's the 1911.
Yeah.
Can you take the video?
It's going to make us...
Barrel's gonna get hot.
No. Drop that trigger till you're ready to fire. Go down on top. Elbows straight out. Steady squeeze. Use your sights.
Yeah. Look at that.
Put this little on top. That's it. Now, just a slow, steady squeeze.
Aim for the rest. If you want to rest on the bench, I'll make it easier on you. Up to you.
Manny, what do you think?
I want this side.
That's your first time shooting? Yeah. That's your first
It's down there. It should be set up. If not, I'm gonna bring it back. On your target.
Stay ground.
You guys ready?
There you go. Just like that, Trevor.
We're ready.
You
You got more head, I got more red.
Yeah.
Back of your shirt.
Pop another target.
I got it.
More fun than you expected, right?
You had one round go right over the top of his head, kind of scared him a little bit. That's all right, though.
I don't want to hurt him that time.
Say again? Yeah, exactly.
It's very nice. Just be steady and just squeeze. You excited, Rain?
That's mine.
Look at this, man.
Solid.
Two or three.
Yeah, those are first shots.
Three, yeah.
So now you gotta go home and get your license.
Oh wow, nice.
I'll check. It's such a pain.
20 rounds are a lot.
I've heard stories about how long it takes and like all the different things you have to go through. Once we get I had a guy in here who they had.
We know. Excited? Yeah, you're gonna make it. You're gonna kill that bastard. Bugging you from a long time. Today.
He had to turn in all his guns. He had all sorts of weapons from World War II that had been like just left by the Allied forces in Australia. That was the 50 cal sniper. Literally that full.
Mason Crosby got 1 point. Nice little wake now.
Anyway, so that guy, I'm turning all his guns, and they had to. There's over $1.5 billion. And he didn't. He had like something like 75 of them, but because it was so rare, it had so many different parts. It was stupid because it was pieces of history. Yeah, that's fine.
It's got a kick. It's got a kick, right? Got a kick. Hey!
It's not as much
Man.
kick as I anticipated.
You want a picture?
They're not shooting it yet.
Can I take a
Turn a little bit. Bam.
look at me? Can I take a picture as well?
Sure.
Thank you very much.
With this one or with your pistol? Or with
Just press this one. Okay.
With this?
Yes.
When you're outside, the sound is.
You're selling a lie.
Check that thing.
You right-handed? Yeah. So we have the 1911.
Mean face. That's not mean.
Huh? 45 caliber. This is actually the first semi-automatic pistol ever invented. No? Okay.
Just take a picture, man. Come on.
Go. Left hand.
So now it's Wayne. He's gonna have all the fun.
Kind of almost want your palms.
How you feeling?
Elbow bend.
Is it like
It's not bad.
no?
As long as it's tight,
Yeah.
it doesn't.
We have a gap, right? It
Yeah. Great job, man. Thanks.
Oh shit, you got pretty good.
Chest and head.
Mounted, anti-vehicle.
Very well done.
Jason, can you hold on to these? Yeah, just hold on to these.
So beautiful to hear when
All right.
Yeah, only handguns.
Oh, you got him really good.
all the way in, the guy's not gonna fire.
Very good shot. All on target, man.
Pitcher.
I taught this guy, and now he's good. I'm so proud.
I think this here, boom, 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 boom. That's when I was on automatic and it.
Yeah, it just kicks, right?
But like, yeah, all these are single shots.
Take pictures as well. Take picture? Take picture? No, that's okay, that's okay. I'll switch. Just do the same thing. Yeah. Keep the video.
His thumb on top of that. Go ahead and fire with your not tight.
Center, center.
So,
Center, yeah, buddy, center.
yeah. Close your left.
Oh, nice.
You got it opposite.
Nice.
That's how you want to be. Oh. That might be what it is.
Get him in the head.
Good athlete, John. There we go. Actually, you want to watch the minigun?
Danny's a fucking
Going down the shirt. Wayne, you're burning me.
Vinny, you're a damn sniper, man.
Not bad, that.
You got him pretty good.
You want to get him?
Very nice.
Great job, man. Right. I'm a little bit crazy out here. Kind of got him through the jugular out there. Not bad, man. Good job. What's the name?
Sorry?
So,
Back to band. Yeah. Thank you. All right, no problem.
Thank you, John.
You're very welcome, guys.
All right. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Let's go. We are done now.